How do you know if your doctor committed medical malpractice on you? Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland. And I would like to talk with you about an important question that I just asked you, and that is, well, how do you know if the doctor actually committed medical malpractice? Well, if you've had an opportunity to look at some of our other past videos, you know that just because there was a bad result in your case, that does not necessarily mean that you are the victim of medical malpractice. What you have to be able to prove in Maryland to be successful is that your treating doctor fell below the standard of care causing your injury. Now, when I say standard of care, think of it like this. What would a reasonable and prudent doctor do under the same set of circumstances as your doctor? That's what we're talking about with standard of care. But now back to the original question, how do you go about proving this, or how do you show this? If you retain a medical malpractice attorney, or if you're trying to do one of these cases by yourself, regardless, you're going to have to hire a medical expert. And that medical expert is going to take a look at everything that happened to you. That medical expert is going to look at your charts, look at your history, look at all the notes that the doctors have, and they may even examine you. But this medical expert is going to take a look at everything and then come to a conclusion as to whether your treating doctors breached the standard of care or they did not give you good and acceptable medical treatment. Now, I realize that if you're watching this video right now, you probably have more questions. You have more concerns about what's going on. This is what I invite you to do if your matter happened in Maryland and it costs you absolutely nothing to pick up the phone and do this. Go ahead and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer medical malpractice questions like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to listen to your story. If you're like most people who are dealing with these types of issues, you have a lot of worry and maybe confusion or misunderstanding of what's just going on. If you give me a call, I may be able to help you understand this process better, thereby decreasing the worry and anxiety that you may have in this particular type of situation. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we'll see you next time. Guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.